Avery.
Yeah, you know, you told me to wait until June. I'm not waiting until June, Doc. It's next
You can wait
weekend.
30 days?
Next weekend, Doc.
I won't be here for that.
Y'all ready for this? This is a little short tour. Tour. All right, yeah, but Doug, what is this? Is this lace?
Yes. We got several different kinds. See.
What Doug has been doing, Doug has been sweating, and he put everything in sections now. So if you were here last week, Doug,
You cannot find something or you scatter all over looking for a particular thing. I now have them all put together for you.
this is lace.
So,
Doug,
yeah.
guys, look at this. So if you came last week, you're gonna see this week, next
Like we got
Saturday.
sequins on velvet. We got some sequins on stretch. We are all, and they're all together. And they're different types of sequins that they are. What material they want.
I want 3 yards of this fabric. It's gonna be a 2-yard minimum cut. Doug, what's that price?
$2.95. Unbelievable.
$2.95 a yard.
I'm gonna order the tent, Avery. I'm gonna order the tent.
I'm gonna put it on Facebook Live. We are going to order a tent.
I think my warehouse is big enough. You want a tent?
We're gonna have a tent out front.